Hello everyone, myself Vishal. Today I'm going to speak about system software and compiler design, under which I'm speaking about different error types with examples. So these are the different error types. In computer programming, various types of errors can occur during the execution of a program. These errors are commonly known as bugs and can cause the program to behave unexpectedly or fail to run altogether. Here are some common types of errors: syntax errors, runtime errors, logic errors, compile time errors, link time errors, and resource errors. Let us see each one of them in detail with examples. Syntax errors. Syntax errors occur when the code violates the syntax rules of a programming language. These errors are typically detected by the compiler or interpreter during the compilation or parsing phase, and they prevent the program from running correctly. Here are a few examples of syntax errors. Missing semicolon. Let us see this example. Hint x is equal to 10. This code snippet is missing a semicolon at the end of the line. In most programming languages, statement should be terminated with a semicolon. The correct version would be hint x is equal to 10 with a semicolon. Unmatched parenthesis. If let us see this example, if x is greater than 5, okay, in this example, there is a missing closing parenthesis after the condition of the if statement. The correct version would be if x is greater than 5. Okay, if x is greater than 5, we have to open the flower braces, followed by we have to write the code snippet, and we have to terminate with the closing parenthesis. Runtime errors, also known as exceptions or runtime exceptions, occur during the execution of a program. These errors typically indicate a problem that arises while the program is running and can lead to the program terminating abruptly or producing unexpected results. Here are some common types of runtime errors. Let us see the example. Division by 0. Hint x is equal to 5, hint y is equal to 0. Hint result is equal to x divided by y. In this example, a runtime error occurs because dividing by 0 is not allowed in mathematics. It results in an arithmetic exception, such as arithmetic exception in Java being thrown. Logic errors. Logic errors, also known as semantic errors, occur when the program runs without crashing but produces incorrect or unintended results. These errors are typically caused by flaws in the program's logic or algorithm. Unlike syntax errors or runtime errors, logic errors do not generate error messages or exceptions. Okay, instead, they lead to incorrect program behavior. Here are some examples of logic errors. Let us take the example. Hint x is equal to 5. Hint y is equal to 3. Hint sum is equal to x minus y. In this example, there is a logic error in the calculation of the sum variable. Instead of programming addition, plus subtraction is used. The correct version would be hint sum is equal to x plus y. In this case, there might be the possible of using star and divide, which means multiplication or division logic errors. Compile time errors. Compile time errors, okay, also known as compilation errors or syntax errors, occur during the compilation phase of a program. These errors are detected by the compiler and prevent the program from being successfully compiled into machine code. They are typically caused by violations of the programming languages, okay, syntax rules, they type mismatches or other structural issues. Let us see some common examples of compile time errors. Hint x is equal to 10. Okay, let us see this code. If x is greater than 5, something code. In this example, a syntax error occurs because the closing brace for the if statement is missing. The correct version would be hint x is equal to 10. If x is greater than 5, we have to open the flower, open parenthesis or flower braces. We have to write the code and we have to end with the closing braces. So it is also known as syntax errors. It is similar to syntax errors. Link time errors. Link time errors, also known as linker errors, occur during the process of linking object files together to create an executable or a library. These errors are detected by the linker, a component of the compiler toolchain, and they prevent the successful creation of the final executable or library. Link time errors typically involve unresolved symbols or inconsistencies in the linking process. Let us see some common examples of link time errors. Okay, this is a code file mathoperations.c. This is a imported file. Okay, int had int a comma hint b. We have to return a plus b. File main.c hint result is equal to add 5 comma 3 return 0. So in this example, suppose the two source files, mathoperations.c and main.c, are compiled separately into object files, mathoperations.o and main.o. During the linking phase, the linker tries to resolve the reference to the add function in main.o, but it can't find the actual implementation. This results in an undefined reference, okay, to add linker error. Resource errors uh, typically refers to issues related to the availability or utilization of system resources required by a program. These errors can cause due to various reasons such as insufficient memory, file access problems, network connectivity issues, or hardware limitations. Here are some common types of resource errors. Memory exhaustion. Memory exhaustion occurs when a program exceeds the available memory resources. This can result in allocation failure or crashes. For example, if a program attempts to allocate a large amount of memory using dynamic memory allocation and the system does not have enough memory, it can lead to memory allocation error. File access errors. File access errors occur when a program encounters problems while reading from or writing to files. These can happen due to the permissions, file not found, or file input output issues. For example, if a program tries to read a file that does not exist or does not have the necessary permissions, it can result in a file access error. Network errors. Network errors occur when a program relies on network connectivity and encounters problems communicating with other systems or services. This can include issues such as connection timeouts, network interruptions, or incorrect network configurations. For example, if a program depends on the external web service and is unable to establish a network connection, it can result in a network error. Resource leaks. Resource leaks occur when a program fails to release or deallocate system resources it has acquired. This can include leaked memory, open file descriptors, or unclosed network connections. Over time, resource leaks can lead to resource exhaustion and degradation in performance. Proper resource management practices, such as releasing acquired resources when they are no longer needed, can help prevent resource leaks. Thank you.